all people, all your guests have
Animal here. Sukers.
said something, wrote something very nice for you.
Candy, that's...
Scribe and Beche. Sumike.
Sumike. Ipasayan eh.
Siklayo tayo, siklayo.
Hindayan mo si Hil, nakakatuwa kayo. Kaya mo nakakatuwa si Hil.
Kaya nga eh.
Hayaan mo si Hil, nakakatuwa kayo.
It's pitch me. It's pitch me.
Ayos ka lang dyan?
Cleo.
Nakaupo kaya ako dito.
Ayoko na yung
Ikaw na lang yan.
Wala ka pa naman sinasabi si Sir Marsh.
Iman sec.
Okay.
Iman.
Eli, all your guests have written something nice for you here.
Alice Besuker is have scribe and it's Moy what is Moy Vincent. Het is pick me for my Mara kaput, mar het kut. Het katkut.
Ano ba yan?
These are wishes, Vincent. Okay?
Ikador.
Later. Okay, fun. Ate Georgie, books.
Buken.
Nax.
That you will receive books.
Yuji.
Okay, and by my love.
Sino yung Mike?
Mike, brother Mike.
Mike.
Yeah.
Lift up.
Lift for lift day. Hi. Can lift it.
Okay. So,
Null.
so, Quezon High. Paninang Gina Lee.
O, kusan hard daw.
Happiness.
In English.
That's it.
Yeah, and then Lifa Doctor.
Healthiness ba?
Ng Olive. Lifa Doctor.
Sa word lang ba yun? Sa word lang ba? Labing daughter.
Sentences.
Okay. Friends. Ate Chiki.
Alam nga naman sabihin ko lang leaf eh. Leaf eh, Dr. Riz.
Friends.
Just
Friends.
Prindin.
At saka Prindin.
Yeah.
Lifa.
Yeah. It's up there.
Nalito na yung bata, o. Basta alam niya.
Naritong-lito na nga sila.
Sledge.
ulit kaya ulit, di ko nakuha na dyan.
It's let's scribe, no? You can keep scribe and self there. Good.
Maging pastora. Tita Mayet.
Aka Pastor Sam.
And that's Pastor Sambor.
Yeah, okay. Prosperous from Ninang Lani.
Na.
Mahirap yan.
Prosperous.
Nose bleeding.
That's a right word. That's a right commence word. Okay. Prosperous.
Prosper.
Yeah. Okay.
Saludes in Espanyol. Healthy.
Okay. Successful. Tita Nweng.
Successful.
Success.
Success, ha? Tutworken. Success.
That is fun Ninang Weng. Okay. Happiness from Jessa. From Jessa, happiness. The job outside
It's healthy.
Okay, no, Eli. Love. Ninang Lori. Love.
Leave that.
It's healthy. Polken, do.
Now, let me feel the love.
From
parents, from
Mari, Eli out from
Okay. Okay, next is for me, prayers.
Ikanit. Spit me.
Good. Yeah.
Okay, coconut. From Harleen, stewardess.
KLM.
Yeah, stewardess word. Did you that?
Yeah.
DJ.
Yes.
DJ. Or
It's just stewardess
Nga,
word. Then you crack.
Gusto niya mag-witeng na lang.
Then you fail na the besuko.
Yeah. All tied in
Look,
in
look,
Haymon.
Okay.
Wala.
Okay.
What a-
Paneo, happiness.
Again.
Okay.
What's up ya?
Health from
What's up ya?
Tita Tony. Health.
Ha?
Oh, last. Ikaw
Oh,
ang
yeah.
last but not the least. Famous. To be a
Bekende.
star.
Alam na ano.
Bekende.
Pamilya.
Yeah. Famous star.
Did I mention everybody?
Kel.
Nasaan yung
Alex.
Nasaan yung sa'yo?
Kel.
Smart sa kanya, smart.
Okay, from Tita Lizzie, well
Well
educated.
Edukasi.
Sa liit.
Nasaan yung sa'yo, Alex?
Beche Edukasi.
Asa pa ba?
And Miracle.
Smart kay Alex.
Hindi pa sa tights.
Samsung.
Smart?
iPhone.
Sulit mo na lang ulit.
Hindi smart.
Okay, so,
I thought SG. Design for you.
Yung face natin.
okay, so we will give this to
Ayla.
Clay, to Eli.
Eli.
This is your,
And when you grow up,
Ate Lising.
Kadoche.
throw it.
pag nabasa mo.
Paka Eli, paka.
Yeah.
Ito mga to.
Alimalke.
Magpasalamat ka Eli, pasalamat ka.
Binang Eli. Check mo.
Pili ka na lang mas ng malaki-laking frame. Hindi kasya eh. Isa.
Bawiin ang Dutch passport nitong taong.
Ay, ito na to. Ganyan mo